Hi, it's Eve and Mark, and we're here at Bondi Beach. Bondi, not Bondi, not Bondi. Bondi Beach in Sydney, Australia. And as you can see, there's surfing going on. It is probably the most famous beach that you're going to find in Australia. I don't know where it ranks on the best surfing, but it's nice surfing here. It's not like Hawaii.
Well, there's some surfers right there.
I already said that.
Good, 12 o'clock.
So you can see the surfers. Other people are on the beach, but there's a lot of surfing. And this is the most surfing we've seen the entire time we've been on our trip. And you can see it's pretty popular. It's 10:30 in the morning.
On a weekday.
On a weekday, so it's not going to be like on a weekend. But you can see out there the surfers. So come with us as we take you to Bondi Beach in Sydney, Australia for surfing and fun, sunbathing.
And seeing all the hunky Australian men and beautiful women.
Please come with us. As we take you to Australia, New Zealand, South Pacific, and the world. You can give us a call and you can experience this.